just a one-man show, and it might take me a little while. But I tell you what, when it fits, it fits. Got some repair work to do back in here. Got a little stuff I gotta cut out there, but I've already made me a little patch panel for the back side also. So get that cut out, get this cut in, and then we can work on the floor. Of course, you cut your way in and weld your way out. It's the right way to do rust. So all this inside here that no one will ever see is going to get recoated. These factories, when these cars were built, all this stuff was coated before it got pinch welded or spot welded together. So to do it right, when you cut in because you've got rust, that means this has failed. So you've got to coat your way back out as you weld your way back out. Of course, it's going to get all new cab mounts. And I'm going to lift the cab up once the floor has been tacked together. See, none of this is finished. It's just getting tacked together. And I'll lift the cab up, pop the doors off, and we can get cab mounts on, seam seal, coat the underside, coat the chassis, and then finish the floors and start going back together. The goal is not to be painted, but to have this thing mocked back up and running by somewhere around Valentine's Day. Then we can focus on one of them or the Camaro. LOL.